The cosmos has always been a source of wonder, mystery, and fear. Among its countless celestial bodies, Saturn has long captivated humanity with its stunning rings and enigmatic presence. But what if Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, underwent a transformation so profound that it left scientists and stargazers alike in awe? What if this transformation held the key to unraveling one of the greatest cosmic mysteries of all time? This is the story of Saturn's stunning makeover, a tale that will take us on a journey through the depths of space, challenge our understanding of the universe, and leave us questioning everything we thought we knew. Imagine for a moment that humanity faces an unprecedented threat from outer space. A colossal planet-devouring entity emerges from the void, its tentacles stretching across the solar system, consuming planets one by one. Venus, Mars, Earth, and even mighty Jupiter fall victim to its insatiable hunger. But Saturn, with its majestic rings, remains untouched. Desperate for survival, humanity turns its gaze to the gas giant, hoping to find refuge among its icy rings. Advanced technology allows us to embark on this perilous journey, but what awaits us is far more complex and terrifying than anyone could have imagined. Saturn, a planet 9 times wider than Earth, is a giant ball of gas with no solid ground. Its atmosphere, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, creates crushing pressures that would destroy any spacecraft attempting to land. The only viable option for survival lies in Saturn's rings, a dazzling array of ice and rock particles orbiting the planet at incredible speeds. These rings, formed from the remnants of comets and shattered moons, are both beautiful and deadly. They are a chaotic dance of particles, ranging from tiny grains of sand to massive boulders the size of mountains. As humanity approaches the rings, the first challenge becomes clear. Survival in this chaotic environment is anything but guaranteed. Test capsules, equipped with robots, are sent to scout the area. But the rings are unforgiving. A baseball-sized stone pierces through one robot, while another is crushed between colliding boulders. A third is destroyed by a rain of sharp icicles. It's a grim reminder of the dangers that lie ahead. Yet humanity perseveres, building more durable robots and establishing small stations on the larger rocks. But even these efforts are thwarted when a massive asteroid smashes into a newly built station, reducing it to rubble. The key to survival lies in understanding the intricate dynamics of the rings. Giant ships scan the area, calculating the trajectories of billions of particles to identify stable zones. These zones, free from the constant bombardment of debris, become the foundation for human settlements. Capsules land on large rocks, and people begin to build stations and homes powered by kinetic energy harvested from the moving particles. It's a delicate balance, but one that offers a glimmer of hope. Life on the rings, however, is far from idyllic. The constant motion, the darkness, and the isolation take a toll on the human psyche. Imagine living on a carousel that never stops, where every step is a calculated risk, and every moment is filled with uncertainty. The psychological strain is immense, and the sense of isolation is overwhelming. Families are separated as loved ones settle on different rocks, only to be torn apart by the relentless movement of the rings. The dream of a new home begins to feel like a nightmare. But there is a glimmer of hope beyond the rings. Saturn's moons, particularly Titan, offer the promise of a more stable existence. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and potential for liquid water, could be the key to humanity's survival. The journey to Titan is fraught with challenges, but the rewards are worth the risk. As humanity begins to explore this new frontier, the mysteries of Saturn's transformation come into focus. What caused Saturn's stunning makeover? Why did its rings become a haven for humanity in the face of cosmic destruction? The answers lie in the intricate interplay of gravity, time, and the remnants of ancient celestial bodies. Saturn's rings, once thought to be static and unchanging, are a dynamic and ever-evolving system. They are a testament to the power of cosmic forces and the resilience of life in the face of unimaginable challenges. As we unravel the mystery of Saturn's transformation, we are reminded of the fragility of our existence and the boundless potential of the universe. Saturn's rings, once a symbol of beauty and wonder, have become a beacon of hope in the darkest of times. They are a reminder that even in the face of destruction, life finds a way to endure. But what if Saturn's transformation is not just a cosmic anomaly? What if it is a sign of something greater, a clue to the origins of life itself? Could the rings of Saturn hold the key to understanding the mysteries of the universe? As we continue to explore this enigmatic planet, we are left with more questions than answers. And perhaps in the end, that is the greatest mystery of all. Saturn's stunning makeover is a story of survival, resilience, and the unyielding human spirit. It is a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming odds, we have the power to adapt, to overcome, and to thrive. The cosmos may be vast and unknowable, but it is also a source of endless wonder and possibility. And as we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded that the greatest mysteries are yet to be unraveled. The journey to Saturn's rings was never meant to be easy. As humanity settled into the chaotic dance of ice and rock, the challenges only grew more complex. The rings, while breathtakingly beautiful, were a constant reminder of the fragility of life in the void of space. Every moment was a battle against the unpredictable, a rogue boulder, a sudden shift in trajectory, or the relentless pull of Saturn's gravity. The settlements, though ingeniously designed, were fragile. Homes built on massive rocks were constantly at risk of being torn apart by collisions or dragged into the planet's crushing atmosphere. Yet, amidst the chaos, humanity found ways to adapt, to innovate, and to survive. One of the most remarkable feats of engineering was the development of kinetic energy systems. Engineers harnessed the motion of the ring particles, converting their relentless movement into a sustainable source of power. Panels, similar to windmills, were installed on the larger rocks, capturing the energy of flying debris. This energy powered everything from life support systems to communication arrays, allowing the settlements to function in the harshest of conditions. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a way to turn the very danger of the rings into a lifeline. But survival wasn't just about technology, it was about the human spirit. Living in the rings required a new way of thinking, a new way of being. People learned to embrace the uncertainty, to find beauty in the chaos. They created art from the fragments of ice and rock, music from the hum of the kinetic panels, and stories from the shared experiences of life on the edge of existence. The rings became more than just a refuge, they became a canvas for human creativity and resilience. Yet even as humanity adapted to life in the rings, the question lingered. Why Saturn? Why had this gas giant, with its swirling storms and icy moons, become the last bastion of hope? The answer lay in the planet's unique history. Saturn, unlike any other planet in the solar system, had always been a place of transformation. Its rings, formed from the remnants of ancient moons and comets, were a testament to the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. They were a reminder that destruction and creation are two sides of the same coin, a cycle as old as the universe itself. As scientists delved deeper into Saturn's mysteries, they began to uncover clues about the planet's stunning makeover. The rings, once thought to be static, were revealed to be in a constant state of flux. New particles were constantly being added, while others were pulled into the planet's atmosphere or ejected into space. This dynamic process, driven by Saturn's immense gravity and the influence of its moons, was the key to understanding the planet's transformation. It was as if Saturn itself was alive, constantly reshaping itself in response to the forces around it. But the most shocking discovery came when scientists detected unusual patterns in the rings. Certain sections of the rings seemed to be moving in ways that defied explanation. At first, it was dismissed as a glitch in the data, but as the patterns persisted, it became clear that something extraordinary was happening. The rings were not just a collection of ice and rock. They were a complex, interconnected system, capable of responding to external stimuli in ways that no one had anticipated. This revelation sparked a new wave of exploration. Probes were sent deeper into the rings, equipped with advanced sensors to study the mysterious patterns. What they found was beyond anything anyone could have imagined. The rings were not just a passive collection of debris. They were an active, dynamic system, capable of self-organization and even, in some cases, self-repair. It was as if the rings had a kind of intelligence, a way of maintaining their structure in the face of constant change. This discovery raised profound questions about the nature of life and intelligence. Could the rings of Saturn be considered a form of life? Were they a product of some ancient alien intelligence, or simply a natural phenomenon that had evolved over billions of years? The answers remained elusive, but the implications were staggering. If the rings of Saturn could exhibit such complexity, what other wonders might the universe hold? As humanity continued to explore Saturn's rings, the focus shifted from mere survival to understanding. The settlements became research hubs, where scientists from across the solar system gathered to study the planet's mysteries. New technologies were developed, allowing for deeper exploration of the rings and the planet itself. Submersible probes were sent into Saturn's atmosphere, braving the crushing pressures and violent storms to gather data on the planet's interior. Meanwhile, missions to Saturn's moons revealed even more surprises. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and methane lakes, was found to harbor complex organic molecules, potential building blocks for life. Enceladus, with its icy geysers, hinted at a vast ocean beneath its surface, teeming with possibilities. The more humanity learned about Saturn, the more it became clear that this planet was not just a refuge, it was a gateway to understanding the origins of life, the nature of intelligence, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Saturn's stunning makeover was not just a cosmic event, it was a call to explore, to question, and to dream. And so, as humanity looked out at the rings of Saturn, they saw not just a place of survival, but a place of wonder. A place where the boundaries between science and imagination blurred, where the mysteries of the universe seemed just within reach. The journey to Saturn had begun as a desperate escape, but it had become something far greater, a journey of discovery, of hope, and of endless possibility. In the end, Saturn's stunning makeover was more than just a cosmic mystery unraveled. It was a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that even in the darkest of times, there is always a glimmer of light. As humanity continued to explore the rings, the moons, and the planet itself, they knew that the journey was far from over. The cosmos was vast, and the mysteries were endless. But with each new discovery, they came one step closer to understanding the true nature of the universe and their place within it. The cosmos is a stage where the most dramatic and enigmatic events unfold, and Saturn, the ringed jewel of our solar system, has always been one of its most captivating performers. But what if Saturn, the celestial marvel we've admired for centuries, underwent a transformation so profound that it rewrote the rules of planetary science? What if its iconic rings, those shimmering bands of ice and rock, began to change in ways that defied all logic and understanding? This is the story of Saturn's stunning makeover, a cosmic mystery that has left scientists and stargazers alike in awe, and one that may hold the key to unlocking secrets far beyond our imagination. Picture this: a quiet night on Earth, the sky a canvas of stars, and Saturn glowing faintly among them. For centuries, humanity has gazed at this distant planet, marveling at its rings and wondering about the secrets it holds. But one night, something changes. Astronomers, peering through their telescopes, notice something unusual. The rings of Saturn, once stable and predictable, begin to shift. At first, the changes are subtle, a slight shimmer, a faint ripple. But soon, the rings begin to transform in ways that no one could have predicted. Sections of the rings grow brighter, while others darken. Strange patterns emerge, as if the rings are alive, pulsing with an energy that defies explanation. The scientific community is thrown into chaos. Theories abound, but none can fully explain what is happening. Some suggest that a massive collision with an asteroid or comet has disrupted the rings. Others propose that Saturn's magnetic field is undergoing a dramatic shift, altering the behavior of the particles in the rings. But as the changes continue, it becomes clear that something far more profound is at work. The rings of Saturn, it seems, are not just a static feature of the planet. They are a dynamic, evolving system, capable of transformation on a scale that no one had ever imagined. As scientists scramble to understand the phenomenon, they turn to the data collected by decades of space missions. The Cassini spacecraft, which spent 13 years studying Saturn and its rings, provides invaluable insights. Images and measurements reveal that the rings are not just changing in appearance, they are changing in structure. Particles of ice and rock are clumping together, forming new patterns and shapes. Some sections of the rings are growing thicker, while others are thinning out. It's as if the rings are rewriting their own history, reshaping themselves in real time. But the most shocking discovery comes when scientists detect a faint, rhythmic pulse emanating from the rings. At first, it's dismissed as an anomaly, a glitch in the data. But as the pulse grows stronger, it becomes impossible to ignore. The rings of Saturn, it seems, are emitting a signal that is not random, but deliberate. It's a discovery that sends shockwaves through the scientific community. Could the rings of Saturn be trying to communicate? And if so, what are they saying? Theories about the origin of the signal range from the plausible to the fantastical. Some scientists suggest that the signal is a natural phenomenon, the result of complex interactions between the particles in the rings and Saturn's magnetic field. Others propose that it could be evidence of an ancient, alien technology hidden within the rings for millennia. And then there are those who dare to suggest the unthinkable, that the rings themselves are alive, a form of intelligence that has evolved over billions of years. As the debate rages on, humanity turns its attention to Saturn like never before. Space agencies around the world launch new missions to study the planet and its rings, equipped with the latest technology to unravel the mystery. Probes are sent into the rings themselves, braving the chaotic environment to gather data. What they find is beyond anything anyone could have imagined. The rings are not just a collection of ice and rock. They are a complex, interconnected system, capable of self-organization and even, in some cases, self-repair. It's as if the rings are a living entity, constantly adapting and evolving in response to their environment. But the most astonishing discovery comes when scientists detect traces of organic molecules within the rings. These molecules, the building blocks of life, are found in surprising abundance, suggesting that the rings may be more than just a cosmic curiosity. They may be a cradle of life. The implications are staggering. If life can exist within the rings of Saturn, what other wonders might the universe hold? Could the rings be home to microbial life, or even more complex organisms? And if so, what does that mean for our understanding of life itself? As humanity grapples with these questions, the rings of Saturn continue to transform. New patterns emerge, new signals are detected, and the mystery deepens. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that even the most familiar objects can hold secrets that defy our understanding. Saturn's stunning makeover is not just a cosmic event, it's a call to explore, to question, and to dream. And so, as we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded that the cosmos is a place of endless wonder and possibility. Saturn, with its shimmering rings and enigmatic presence, is a symbol of the mysteries that await us. Its transformation is a reminder that the universe is not static. It is alive, constantly changing and evolving. And as we continue to explore, to study, and to wonder, we come one step closer to understanding the true nature of the cosmos and our place within it. Saturn's stunning makeover is more than just a scientific mystery. It's a story of discovery, of curiosity, and of the unyielding human spirit. It's a reminder that even in the face of the unknown, we have the power to explore, to learn, and to grow. And as we continue to unravel the secrets of Saturn's rings, we are reminded that the greatest mysteries are yet to be uncovered. The cosmos is vast, and the journey is far from over. But with each new discovery, we come one step closer to understanding the true nature of the universe and our place within it.